I'm a doctor, I'm a pathologist. So I worked here for a few years and I need to apply for the Royal College. I'm a doctor. I need to go and work there. So for that application, this is the prerequisite to get a good score in PTE or IELTS. Because I already gave my IELTS last year. I was struck with 6.5 in writing, as I told you. So this time I want to try PTE because a few people told me that it's easier than IELTS. So to apply for the Royal College of Pathologists Australasia, I need to get qualified score in English skills and all. So I gave this exam and next I had to go for further steps to apply for that. But actually, I just want to tell you one thing, sir. I'm married and I'm having kids and I don't have much time to prepare. Like hardly maybe 1 hour to practice these templates or tests or anything. As you told, I have not completed all the questions like in my portal, but I completed those section-wise tests and mock tests. Mock test, those 10 tests I have given each test a day, 10 days before.
And how did this describe image template help you?
That helped me a lot, sir. Actually, in those practice tests only, I got good score when I used that template. And initially, to get used to that template, it took some time. Later, it was very easy with that template.
Okay, the initial hiccups were there, but once you got used to that, it was all simple. Summarized written text.
Summarized written text was very easy. Yeah, and the class
time.
Also, you gave those example texts and all. So we practiced in the class also. And in that video also, after seeing 2-3 and practicing 2-3, I got good scores. Essay also, it really helped because I thought writing was a very difficult task because I gave IELTS twice before this PTE exam. I was struck with that 6.5 score in IELTS. In all, I got 8.5. This writing, I was struck in that. So I thought writing was very difficult, but in this, because of your templates and all, writing is the easiest task. Correct. I didn't practice much. I just by-hearted that template you have
given. And it worked like magic. Okay. Summarize spoken text. How was it? Was it easy, tough?
Yeah, that's easy because of template again.
Again, template. Okay. All right. How do you rate our training, Indu? Do you recommend it to your closest friends or you don't?
Yeah, surely I recommend because of this templates and training only I got this score, no doubt about it. So I recommend this coaching completely to anyone who are writing PTE.
You have taken all the classes online.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Hyderabad or from other part of the?
Hyderabad only.
Hyderabad only. Yeah. Did you anytime feel that, if I go to the classroom, I get better inputs, better knowledge?
No. Because you took time and explained all my doubts in the class itself. And even in class also that will only happen because I didn't find any difference in online and offline.
On and offline, there is no difference. Okay. Our practice portal, PTE practice portal with all the guides, with all the video explainers. Now we have more. We have been putting every week. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good actually. That's the main key thing for the whole exam. Practice is very important and keeping those inputs which you have told in mind and practicing regularly helps to achieve good score.
We wish you all the success. And it gives us, the extra satisfaction when we help directly, indirectly the healthcare professionals.